Hey friends, I know what you think. Borax, how can you drink it? Yeah, a lot of people when they hear about borax, the only thing they think it's about laundry detergent, and immediately they dismiss it. And that was one of them.
I was too when I first came across it, but let me tell you, this is not your average cleaning detergent. There's actually a ton of health benefits that come with taking a small amount of this stuff, an eighth of a teaspoon. We'll get to the dosage and how much to take, and we'll get to the bottom of it, the cold hard truth and all the facts. Stick around with us and we'll go over all the details. Borax is a combination of boron, oxygen, hydrogen, and water. Simply natural ingredients, but it's far more than just a cleaning product. And the reason you might not know about it, well, there's a big push to keep things like this out of the spotlight because they work and they don't make money.
The truth is, when you're healthy, you're not a customer. So they don't want you to know that. If not, they are out of business.
And once you're sick, dumbed down, and docile, there's so many health benefits with this, and that's the truth. They don't want you to know about this. They want to make it a conspiracy, tell you that you're just drinking bleach and not to do it because you're going to poison yourself. But look into it, do your own research, and you'll discover. What does borax do? It detoxes, balances hormones, reduces inflammation, and fights things like candida and yeast. It's an incredible pain reliever, especially for people dealing with arthritis and joint pain.
So I've been using borax for over a year now, but when I first started, I was very skeptical of it, and in the first 30 days I already felt the difference. So I used to suffer from arthritis. And my joints was always swollen, and I was in pain, constantly, especially on the cold months. Whoa, I hardly could move my fingers. So now I'm not in pain anymore. I'm just grateful, it's been a year already that I don't feel any pain. I don't have joint swollen and none of that. Also, I can tell that it helped me with my PMS, helped with my hormones. I just feel great. And so we gotta dive into all the benefits of it. Here is how we do it. So,
Water in my cup.
Distilled water.
Distilled water. It's got all the impurities completely taken out of it. And then we're gonna remineralize the water. This Celtic sea salt's got over 80 trace minerals like potassium and magnesium, everything that you need to all the important elements that you want back in your distilled water. This is a pinch, one pinch, little guy, little tiny guy. So you want to make sure you don't want to take too much. Sometimes less is more. This is baking soda. It's a great neutralizer and helps you become not as acidic.
Let me fix the camera. All right, let's be healthy.
All right, borax works because it's more than just a detoxifier. It actually removes heavy metals and fluoride from the body. It balances hormones and decalcifies the pineal gland. It's a true powerhouse and really works to increase your overall health. This is one of the best ways to support your body naturally.
Definitely. And just to be clear here, guys, this is not a medical advice, right?
Yeah, do your own research.
Yes, we are just trying to help you. That's what works for us and for our family. But do your own research. Just don't trust even us or anything that people tells you or what you see in the news. What do you hear from the government, from anybody else?
So there's a lot of misinformation out there about this. So do yourself a favor and look up reputable sources like earthclinic.com where you can learn more about the health benefits of using borax. This video might get censored because it's not along the lines of information that they want to be out there and for people to have. So just FYI on that as well. But we don't really care about being censored. We just want the truth to get out to as many people as possible.
Thank you for joining us today. Take care of your health, do your own research, and let's spread the truth together. Be blessed.